Now let's make V the subject of the formula. So we come over here, it says solution. The first thing we're going to do over here is to multiply through by the LCM. Now, what is the LCM in the above? So we have U, F, and V. So U, F, and V is the LCM. So we multiply through by the LCM. So we have to multiply through by LCM. That's the least common multiple. So that is U, F, V. Yes. So we have U, F, V multiplied by this times 1 over U equals, again, U, F, V multiplied by this. We have U, F, V multiplied by 1 over F. 1 over F minus UFV multiplied by this. UFV multiplied by what? 1 over V. Now we can continue from here. So what do we do from here? Now this is U, we have U over here. This is F, we have F over here. Then V, we have V over here. All these can cancel out each other. So V cancel out U, U cancel out U, F cancel out F, then we have V cancel out V. Now what we are left with, FV. FV multiplied by 1 still give us FV equals to, over here we are left with UV. Now UV multiplied by 1 give us UV. Yes. Now the last one over here we are left with what? UF. Now UF multiplied by 1 still give us UF. Now we can continue from here. Now since we have V over here, we have to find a way of bringing UV over here. But if we should bring UV over here, we are left with what? With negative UF. But we can't do that. That would be wrong. Now what do? We can simply rearrange. Let's rearrange this. So this can come over here and this can come over here. They are still the same thing. So how do we do that? We can write this. Say U. So UV minus UF equals what? FV. They are still the same. It's just like you saying 1 plus 2, that's 3, or 2 plus 1, still 3. So they are still the same. Now, so what do we do from here? So we find a way of bringing this over here. Yes, we find a way of bringing this over here. So we say this is UV, this is positive FV. So when it comes over here, it turns to negative FV. Now is equals to, now this is negative UF. So when negative UF comes over here, it turns to what? Positive UF. Yes, this is what exactly we are going to get. Now let's continue. We have V over here, we have V over here. They are common. Now we need to factorize. So how do we do this? We do this by introducing V, then introducing a parenthesis. So how do we do that? So let's put our V over here since they are common. We say V into brackets U. Yeah, U, then minus. Now what's left? We've taken U from here, so we are left with what? With F over here. We say F, then we close the parentheses. So equals to what? UV. Now, what do we do from there? The next thing we do over here is what? We multiply both sides by U minus F. So we divide both sides by, both sides by what? U minus F. By U minus F. That's exactly what we are going to do over here. So now we have V into brackets U minus F, close the brackets, equals what? UF. Now we divide both sides by U minus F. we come over here, we say u minus f. U minus f. Now, this can cancel out this. So we are left with v equals uf divided by u minus f. Now, what is our final answer? Now, we have v equals uf divided by u minus f. Of course, this is our final answer. This is our final answer. So v has been made the subject of the formula. Thank you for watching, and please follow for more.